Did you know the meeting of glacier water and salt water creates a jaw-dropping natural phenomenon? When the two mix, they form a swirling effect called a-brine rejection. And it's as mesmerizing as it sounds. This happens because melting glaciers push out salt, creating layers of fresh and salty water. The density difference causes swirling currents that scientists call haloclines. But it's not just beautiful. This process plays a crucial role in ocean circulation and even regulates global temperatures. Without this natural balance, our planet's climate would spiral out of control. Nature's magic is happening every day. What other mysteries do you think the ocean holds? Hit like, subscribe, and let's dive deeper into the wonders of our planet.